Hey guys, I am at the airport. I decided to ride the shuttle today because it is cold outside and it looks like it's going to rain at any minute. So I just didn't feel like walking, so now I'm really early. I don't have to report till 12:35 and it's only 12:16 right now. And I've already made a bathroom stop and tied my scarf. So just hanging out and gonna head to the gate in a little bit, not in a big rush. So today we're going to Dallas and then DC. I have 20 hours in DC, so I'm hoping to motivate to go to the mall area or Smithsonian or something. So we'll see how I'm feeling, if I'm feeling energetic or not. One good thing about this trip is it's pretty light loads. We have almost kind of fullish first trip or first leg today, and then only like 70 to DC from Dallas, so that will be nice. Alright my friends, I'm on the aircraft. We are just waiting to board. There's a fire truck outside. Hopefully that's not for us. Anyway, we have like 120 people going to Dallas, and it's about 2 hours long, and I don't have anything else to say. I'm all ready to go. Let's go. Let's get this show on the road, people. I'm working a PM trip, by the way. So this whole month I have all PMs except for one, and kind of excited. No alarms in the hotel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is, wherever you may be. I am in the DC area. I really want to go to the mall area, but I don't know if I should exert myself that much or should I just go rest. It's very hard for me to not do something in an area that has so many cool things to do. So we'll see. The train takes like 45 minutes to get there. I could spend $12 on an Uber. I just don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go to CVS now and I'll check in later. Alright, you guys. So you can see what my final decision was. I had the Uber all queued up. I was gonna go to the Exorcist steps and then I was gonna go to the zoo for a couple hours. And I just started thinking about it and I was thinking, well, why am I doing this? What do I have to prove? I mean, I really did want to go to both. I do want to go to both of those things, but I also want to be healthy. So I will have a chance to come back here, I know. So it's just it's weird because it's like Christmas time, so I know it's going to be all decorated and I'm having FOMO. But I'm going to just rest and make sure that I'm healthy and not get like any sicker. I'm not really sick. I just feel like something's happening. Like my throat's a little dry, and so I didn't sleep great last night. So anyway, I defaulted to resting, which sucks because I have 20 hours here. But anyway, I'm just gonna do my bid for January, which I should be on reserve. And I am actually going to try to get PM reserve this time. Weekday PM reserve is my goal. So we shall see. Hey y'all, I just got to Tulsa and I'm looking out the window and I want to show you what I see. So that's the nighttime view. The little building across is lit up all red and green, and there's like a little courtyard, and I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. And we're going to a very special location tomorrow, as long as I can get up and get ready to go. But I'm gonna surprise you. Are you ready? Wait for it. I just zapped right into my PJs because I'm tired and I want to get ready for bed. They gave us this little turkey sandwich. It's a little interesting. This is the turkey, which I'm not gonna lie, it looks like it came from a Lunchable. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? The cheese definitely is not from a Lunchable. Here's the cheese. But those little circles, they look like Lunchable meats. The bread's good though. Alright, I'm gonna go get ready for bed. I don't have anything to report about today's trip. We did 2 legs. We went from DC to St. Louis to Tulsa. Very uneventful. Both were pretty light. 105 and then 77. So that was nice. Yeah, nothing to say. Oh, I can tell you this. One of the pilots gave us candies, big old ginormous ones. So that was also nice. All right, guys, boring stuff. Bye. I have slacked on my diligence as far as really wiping things down on the airplane and you know, using gloves for pretty much everything. So I think I have to go back to that. And then the other thing I need to do is I have a little portable humidifier, which I highly recommend if you travel a lot and are in hotel rooms, especially when it's very dry or you have the heat on. You can hear my congestion. It's lovely. So I'm going to be packing my humidifier for my next trips. But yeah, so time to go back to being over diligent about germs and touching things without gloves on and all that good stuff that I've kind of slacked off on.
Hey guys, I definitely did not go out when I was in Tulsa. It was very cold and windy, and I just wasn't feeling like being out and about in that weather. But next time I'm there, I will absolutely take you guys with me, and we will go see the very special location that I did not get to show you, but I'm not going to tell you yet. But thanks for watching, and I hope you like, subscribe, and all the things. See you next time. Have a great day.